Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your jumper fetal Doppler. First, familiarize yourself with the device's components, including the main unit and the probe. Make sure your Doppler is fully charged or has fresh batteries installed for optimal performance. Next, apply a generous, coin-sized amount of ultrasound gel to your lower abdomen. This gel is crucial for transmitting the sound waves effectively and getting a clear signal from your baby. To begin, find a quiet and comfortable spot, preferably lying down. Gently place the Doppler probe on your lower abdomen, starting just above your pubic bone. Move the probe very slowly and deliberately, inch by inch, across your belly. Listen carefully for a distinct, rapid whoosh-whoosh sound, which indicates your baby's heartbeat. Adjust the volume control as needed to ensure you can hear the sounds clearly and without strain. It's important to distinguish between different sounds. Your own heartbeat will be slower, and you might hear whooshing sounds from the placenta. The fetal heartbeat is much faster, typically ranging from 120 to 160 beats per minute, sounding like a galloping horse. If you don't find it right away, don't worry. Simply try repositioning the probe slightly. Avoid pressing too hard, as this can actually make it harder to hear. For safety, use your jumper Doppler for short durations, ideally no more than 5 to 10 minutes per session. Remember, this device is a bonding tool and not a replacement for regular prenatal checkups with your healthcare provider. If you have any concerns about your baby's movements or well-being, always contact your doctor immediately. Always refer to your specific jumper model's user manual for detailed instructions and safety guidelines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.